Buddha blessings. Hey, make it out west.
Oh yes, here she is. The twin turbo Lamborghini car from B-Road Built is done. This twin turbo kit looks absolutely gorgeous. And look at that, we got the Stradman plate. You guys know B-Road Built the best twin turbo kits in the world. Absolutely gorgeous Audi art right here. Oh my, I cannot wait. Brandon, you absolute legend. Thank you so much for everything. You know what? We should start her up. Let's start her up. That sounds so good. Unbelievable. So we're gonna let her warm up. We're gonna rev her, we gotta let her warm up.
This freaking guy.
Frames a second.
Did you get it, Luke?
I did. I got you. I got you.
Luke always gets. Are you kidding me, Brandon? Bro. That is ridiculous. I know, I can feel getting lightheaded. It's a lot of carbon monoxide. They are insane. They are absolutely
crazy. Bravo, bravo.
Say if you're just cruising into a park, like up to a road or what, if you just wanted to do it for like rolling content,
Right.
you can roll, throw the clutch in, give it a rev, push the button, and it'll do that roll.
Oh, sick.
Yeah.
So I just showing up to a car show.
Yeah.
You just okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be that guy now. I've always been that guy, but now I'm really gonna be that guy.
You know, it's fun.
It is fun.
It's so much
It's
fun. So, all right.
This is the Insta360 camera. Have you seen how these work?
Yeah. I told them that Lamborghini came with a
What are we doing?
We need it. Maybe. Hopefully not.
That's more like a flamethrower. I didn't realize, like it was like the one that came up, like the whole rearview mirror just was like.
When I first picked this up, James, you put the camera on me, I was like, I got fuel in my eyes, and it started burning. That's when I realized, I'm like, this is a serious issue. This is bad.
Yeah.
And I'm like, all this here was like pure fuel.
We use all the fuel in the world. You're done. Yeah. You look good though. You look great. The P1. It suits you. That's not a bad day.
What's up, brother?
Probably anywhere there, Eddie's good.
And they're a
Listen, no, sorry, Luke. This is crazy. What is even happening right now? We got the SF90 Spider. Bro, welcome. Thank you. That car suits you. You look fantastic.
Holy shit.
And you have the Koenigsegg right there as well. Absolutely nowhere. We got the Regale, the SF90, and we have Eddie and a P1. Eddie X come through the clutch. Horsepower Koenigsegg Regera. That's insane. P1's in back. I'll go grab it.
Got the SF90, the Koenigsegg, and then you got Eddie X pulling up in the P1. What an absolutely insane collection.
If you look down into there, underneath the wastegate actuator, on the left and back of the housing,
It fit a couple days.
Transformers mode as everything closes back up.
I know, right? Aw. You're all so cute together, always.
At least it's warm in here.
Ready if you jump on it, two to my world, me ready if you jump on it, ready if you run on it, ready if you dump on it, tag team in for your truck, me pump on it, hands up high, we're burning up the sky, we got the dance hall crazy.
Yeah, fucking crazy.
sitting in a car next to the gyro and it was scary.
Yeah, it felt like something was smacking you in the back of the head every time it went off.
That's insane. Like
he wanted flames.
You could feel it resonate through the entire carbon tub of the P1, which is okay. So now can we do that to my Gen 2?
Yes.
Twin turbo.
Eddie X getting the shot. Just wow.
Wow. Wow and more wow.
We got a little orange flamethrower here.
Yeah. The titanium, the freaking flames, the noises, and the zip tied license.
It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. It's time for a new one though. That's only 20. Secret.
Appreciate it. That thing's great.
That's crazy.